Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show and tell how you can turn on and activate the dark mode in Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, be sure to put likes. Watch this video to the end. Let's get started. First, we're going to go to Instagram with you. And as you can see, I'm in white mode, white screen. So how do I change it to a black theme? Unfortunately, Instagram hasn't added that feature yet, where we can go into the settings, and after that change to black mode. But we can do simple actions that will help us solve this. Go to the settings on iPhone or Android. This way works on absolutely any device. It can be an iOS device and Android, tablet, phone is not important. After that, here we open with you, and we need to open. Let's say here I am on iPhone open. Here is a swipe down and display. And when we opened here, we have a white theme and black. And I change it to black. After that, we exit. We go to Instagram and Instagram itself has updated to the black theme. Now we can go in and flip through and watch all kinds of news videos. And the most important thing is that we will have a black theme. After that, you can exit, change to white, and your Instagram will also return to the white theme. Here is such an easy way how you can do it. If you liked this video and helped, subscribe to the channel, put likes. Goodbye.